Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and print address labels in Microsoft Word so you can streamline your mailings, organize your office, or send out professional invitations with ease in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Envelopes and Labels tool. The first step is moving into the dedicated mailing workspace within Word that handles the specific dimensions required for adhesive label sheets. Open Microsoft Word 2026 and start a new blank document. Go to the Mailings tab in the top ribbon and click on the Labels button on the far left. A dialog box labeled Envelopes and Labels will pop up. Ensure you are on the Labels tab within that window. In 2026, Word's mailing engine is built to recognize thousands of global label brands. Starting here ensures that the software doesn't treat your labels like a standard A4 page, but rather as a precise grid that matches the physical stickers you've purchased. Next, enter your address and formatting. Now you need to input the information that will appear on every single label on your sheet. In the address box, type in the name and location details. If you want to change the look, highlight the text, right-click, and select Font or Paragraph. Choose a clean, readable font like Arial or Calibri at 10-point or 12-point. If you have a return address already saved in your Word settings, you can check the Use Return Address box to pull it in automatically. In 2026, postal scanners are faster and more sensitive. Using a standard non-script font ensures that your mail passes through automated sorting centers without delay. Formatting the text within this box allows you to center the address or add bold styling to the recipient's name, making the label look intentional and professional. Next, select the correct label product and vendor. This is the most critical technical step. You must match the digital template to the physical product brand and model number you are using. Click the Options button at the bottom of the dialog box. This opens the Label Options window. Under Label Vendors, select your brand like Avery US Letter or Microsoft. Then scroll through the product number list until you find the code that matches the one printed on your label packaging, like 5160 for standard address labels. Every label sheet has a specific pitch, the space between stickers. In 2026, selecting the exact product number ensures that Word aligns the text perfectly within the peel-off edges. If you pick the wrong number, your printer will likely cut off the top or bottom of the addresses, wasting your expensive label sheets. Now, back in the main Labels window, ensure the radio button for Full Page of the same label is selected. Click the New Document button at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. To create and print address labels in 2026, go to the Mailings tab, select Labels, and enter your address details. Click Options to match your vendor and product number to your physical label sheet, then click New Document to generate the grid. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.